Hey, 9-1, land of Lincoln, blowing smoke over here on the west coast of Canada. 612 waving at you. Take care there, 91 out there in Chicago. 73s to you and have a great day. 612, we're listening. That's a good skip today. Go ahead, 5A1. We hear you in there too. 5A1 Illinois, 612, west coast of Canada, waving. Waving back at you, 549 Georgia, 612, west coast of Canada, reading the mail. All right, we're waving back at all of you, man. We stirred up a hornet's nest in there. Hey, 73s, you're all sounding good up here on the west coast of Canada. 612, we're on the side. Oh, it's a DX. I think I'm going to go put together my antenna now. Time to do that. Right there. Sunny day, mild out. Yeah, look at that. Balmy and palmy out.